Heidi ho there, friends and neighbors. Bobby here today, and I'm wearing my bib overalls today, friends. You know why? Because I'm going to be talking about farming. That's what we're going to be talking about today. Guys, I want to kind of give you a little introduction to our gardening that we're going to be doing this year. Now, the first part of this little video I actually filmed about a month ago. Me and my son, Nathaniel, we planted some seeds in some trays. So the next thing you're going to see is a clip from about a month ago. So go ahead and enjoy that, and then we'll continue on and show you where these plants are today. Heidi ho there, friends and neighbors. Bobby here today along with my son Nathaniel. Say hello, Nathaniel.
Sir.
Nathaniel's trying to be cool. Anyway, guys, we are out here today and we are going to start our garden. We've got 4 trays here that we have already planted. These 3. We got lettuce and spinach in the first one.
And lettuce.
We've got
tomato, squash.
Yep, we got several types of tomatoes in the second one, and we got our squash and cucumbers in the third one. And guys, I'm just going to show you real quick. In this one right here, we're going to plant some peppers. And 2 different types of cantaloupe and some watermelon plants. Okay. Now we're definitely going to have enough plants here. I don't know if we're going to have enough room to plant it all, but maybe we can give some of these plants to my dad. So friends, that's what we're doing here today, and we'll be making some videos in the up and coming months here on our garden. We'll show you the progress on it as we go. Have a great day. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Nathaniel's going to tell you what's in each tray, and he's going to start watering it for us. Don't put too much water on it. All right, go ahead. Which one is this one?
Lettuce.
I can't see what you're pointing at. The first one?
Yes.
All right, what's in the second one?
Tomato.
Okay.
Squash.
Squash and cucumbers, right?
Yes.
And what's in the third one?
The third one?
I mean the fourth one. Sorry.
It's cucumber.
Nope. Cantaloupe. Cantaloupe, watermelon, and peppers.
Yeah.
All right, give them a water, Nathaniel. See how you do, buddy.
All right.
Go ahead. All right, spread it around. Don't just water in one spot, dude. There you go. Kind of spread it around. There you go. All right, go to the next one. Let that soak in a little bit. All right, good job. You're doing good. All right, that's good. That's good. Whoa, 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 whoa. Next one. All right, spread it. All right, too much. Back off. All right, you're doing good though. That's fine. There you go. Do it just like that. There you go, buddy. All right, hold on. Let's let that soak in a little bit. All right, say bye to the good people.
Bye.
Okay, folks, as you can see, those plants that we seeded about a month ago have grown into some nice young plants here. We have some squash and zucchini plants here. We have some tomato plants. I believe this might be a little watermelon plant, I do believe. Right here we have some spinach that's growing, some lettuce that's growing right there. Here's a pepper plant coming up that I've transplanted. I transplanted some of them into these solo cups after they got a little bit of size on them. I still got some more. Down here I got a couple squash plants, or they might be zucchini, growing in a 5-gallon bucket. I got 4 spinach plants growing in this one. Now most of this stuff here is going to stay up on the porch, the stuff that's in buckets. Now this here I probably overseeded. I got lettuce in here, and as you can see I definitely overseeded it. I might end up ripping up all that and putting some of those ones that are in the little peat cups in here, and have about 8 plants or so in here. This one here is a different type of lettuce. This is romaine. I watched some videos of some fellows talking about putting 60, 70 seeds in there and just letting the stalk grow up, and then don't let it head up. You just cut off what you want and keep it fertilized, and it'll keep growing. So we're going to try that this year. Over here I believe I have turnips, if I'm not mistaken. So we may not get a whole lot of turnips out of there, but at least we'll get some turnip greens out of those. I love turnip greens. Over here we have more squash and cucumber plants. We got 4 different varieties of tomato plants here. I didn't mark them too good, so it's going to be kind of like a mystery garden. Over here we have more cantaloupe and watermelon plants. Okay, so this is all of our plants here. Now, Mint Hill, Tina, if you want to bring the camera right around here, we got a bunch of junk here in our backyard. We got to move it out of the way. But I don't know if they can see the. I'll tell you what, let's just take them on out there a little closer to it. Okay guys, this is my main garden that we have plowed up and put a fence around. It's 25 foot by 35 foot. And we got this nice little cross right there in the middle that we are putting up to celebrate Easter this year. And as you can see, definitely pretty muddy right now because we got a lot of rain going on here today. Over here I got another little garden that I'm going to fence up to keep the dog out. It's using an old trampoline frame. We'll probably put some cucumbers and so forth over here in this little area. And then we have another little area right over here I went ahead and plowed up where our old wood pile used to be. It's not very big, but I think we might be able to get a couple of watermelon plants or something in this little area. So we're just trying to utilize some portions of our backyard for our garden this year. Okay friends, that just about wraps up today's video. I just wanted to give you a little introduction to our summer garden and where we are on it right now. We'll be making many more videos and posting them throughout the summer and letting you know how the progress goes. Thanks for stopping by today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Take care.